What type of failure occurs when Oracle fails due to an operating system or computer hardware failure? A. Application failure. B. Instance failure. C. Media failure. D. Rollback failure. The correct answer is instance failure. Which statement about sequences is not true? A sequence is an object that generates a sequential series of unique numbers. B. Sequences are most often used to provide values for surrogate keys. C. Nextval and Kval are both sequence methods. D. Sequences guarantee valid surrogate key values. The correct answer is sequences guarantee valid surrogate key values. Which prefixes are available to Oracle triggers? A. New only. B. Old only. C. Both new and old. D. Neither new nor old. The correct answer is both new and old. In creating a procedure, you may get a message if you have compile errors. Which of the following is true? The line numbers reported match the line numbers you see in your text editor. B. SQL Plus will automatically show the errors to you. C. To see the errors, enter show errors in SQL Plus. D. If there are no syntax errors, you will receive the message no errors. The correct answer is to see the errors, enter show errors in SQL Plus. Which of the following is not true about indexes? A. Indexes are created to enforce uniqueness on columns. B. Indexes are created to enable fast retrieval by column values. C. Columns that are frequently used with equal conditions in where clauses are good candidates for indexes. D. Indexes are created with the alter table command. The correct answer is indexes are created with the alter table command. Which of the following is not true of SQL views? A. Oracle views cannot use the order by clause in view definitions. B. Oracle views are created using the standard SQL 92 create view command. C. Oracle views can be queried. D. The SQL 92 standard does not allow the use of the order by clause in view definitions. The correct answer is Oracle views cannot use the order by clause in view definitions. SQL Plus will finish the statement and execute it when the user types in this. A left slash followed by enter. B. A colon followed by enter. C. A semicolon followed by enter. D. A period followed by enter. The correct answer is a semicolon followed by enter. Which of the following is not an Oracle supported trigger? A. Before. B. During. C. After. D. Instead of. The correct answer is during. After a table has been created, its structure can be modified using the SQL command. A. Update table name. B. Modify table name. C. Alter table name. D. Change table name. The correct answer is alter table name. Which of the following is not true about modifying table columns? A. You can drop a column at any time. B. You can add a column at any time as long as it is a null column. C. You can increase the number of characters in character columns or the number of digits in numeric columns. D. You cannot increase or decrease the number of decimal places. The correct answer is you cannot increase or decrease the number of decimal places. Of the three ways to create an Oracle database, which one is the easiest and most recommended? A. Using the Oracle Database Configuration Assistant. B. Using the Oracle supplied database creation procedures. C. Using the SQL create database command. D. None of the above is correct. The correct answer is using the Oracle Database Configuration Assistant. What Oracle backup and recover file contains user and system data? A. Control file. B. Data file. C. Online redo file. D. Offline redo file. The correct answer is data file. When using SQL Plus, Oracle commands column names, table names, and all other database elements. A. Are case insensitive. B. Are case sensitive. C. Must always be in lowercase. D. Must always be in uppercase. The correct answer is are case insensitive. Which SQL phrase is not supported by Oracle? A. On delete cascade. B. On update cascade. C. Create sequence name. D. Drop sequence name. The correct answer is on update cascade. What is the type of Oracle backup in which all uncommitted changes have been removed from the data files? A. Full backup. B. Consistent backup. C. Inconsistent backup. D. Differential backup. The correct answer is consistent backup. You have linked SQL Plus to an external text editor. To invoke the text editor for use within SQL Plus, which command do you use? A. Open file name. B. Show file name. C. Alter file name. D. Edit file name. The correct answer is edit file name. The default extension for an Oracle SQL Plus file is a .txt, b .pls, c .ora, d .sql. The correct answer is .sql. An Oracle system change number SCN. A is a value that is incremented whenever a dirty read occurs. B is incremented whenever a deadlock occurs. C is a value that keeps track of explicit logs. D is a value that is incremented whenever database changes are made. The correct answer is a value that is incremented whenever database changes are made. To obtain the structure of an Oracle table, the command to use is A. Structure table name. B. Describe table name. C. Describe structure table name. D. Desc table name. The correct answer is describe table name. To see the contents of the SQL Plus buffer, type A. Contents. B. Buffer. C. Current. D. List. The correct answer is list.